please everybody just give it up for the extraordinary artists and the people who put this incredible program together.
Messy sexual fun.
I was deeply touched throughout the show.
It was just extraordinary.
Outstanding. Superb interpretation.
For me, there is nothing more important than feminism.
Taiwan, always there's these wonderful surprises and always done with such great skill and technique.
It's been a collaboration of 9 years working together, and it wouldn't be a Summerhall Fringe without a Taiwan season.
Oh, it's fantastic. Yeah, this is our first year working with Taiwan Season. Obviously, we've known about Taiwan Season for many years, and it's always a real highlight of the Fringe programme. So we were really delighted to be selected as a partner venue this year, and we hope it's the start of a very long collaboration.
我们希望把台湾有很好的文化艺术，在世界上独一无二的舞林的这样的一个演出，能够带到欧洲来。那这次也很开心，我们获得很多艺评媒体的高度肯定。虽然我们在这边的市场刚刚开始，然后而且这边的观众才刚刚认识我们，可是就我们所接触到的这第一批观众，我觉得他们非常非常的喜欢。要来这个地方，真的要耕耘累积。 也就是说，你不是一次性的就让观众认识。那我相信这一次我们也学到很多，我们会把这个经验带回台湾之后，继续努力的把好的演出带来爱丁堡，甚至带来欧洲各地。那这是我们的期待，也希望能够继续努力。
Talented everybody is. And I thought the end of the show, the finale was just the best for me. So congratulations, it was really wonderful. Yeah, it was really good.
Really colourful, really fun, really vibrant. You know, loads and loads of fun to watch.
Oh, I'd like to actually see a bigger version, like perhaps see your show in Taiwan in a bigger venue because you are now restricted by this space.
I was inspired by all of their abilities. I thought it was very cool, very exciting to watch. I would definitely recommend the show to anyone. And I also feel like maybe I learned a little bit about Taiwanese culture that I hadn't known before. So I really enjoyed the show.
Excites me the most about Taiwan season shows is that you know they're going to be really challenging and really contemporary.
我最常听到的话，对我的作品的形容是：我从来没有看过这样的东西，这样子。然后我超级惊讶的，因为酷儿或者是情欲的作品，这边应该有很多相关主题，然后他们都是跟我说，哦，我看过很多这类型的作品，可是我没有看过 Tomato 这样的作品。我很开心，就是作为表演者，就是我们有传达到关于我们怎么样自主思考我们的情欲，跟自主去执行、去实践这件事情，我觉得有被他们读到。然后，即便我们去尝试的形式是超级不主流的，甚至有点 kinky， 有点怪，可是他们可以对于很正面的看待这件事情，就是我觉得这件事对我来说非常不容易。
To me, it's awakening of sexuality. It's jealousy. It's Edward Munch. It's the scream. You know, it's connections. But it's also love. It's very playful. I loved it.
I really enjoy that I don't have any immediate thoughts about it. I really just have to go home and talk about it, figure it out, truly think it through. So I appreciate that.
那我觉得一个东方表演艺术者来讲，他们可以放下这么多的在舞台面前卸下自己的就是身体，甚至展现自己的身体。我觉得这个了不起，而且有美感，而且又幽默。
An energy which communicates what Taiwan and its people really are culturally. and it makes the Taiwan season as an expression of Taiwan really precious and something to be enjoyed.
那也因为的确疫情的状态，所以我们这一次其实花了更多的心力去做介宣。19年来，然后今年再来的时候，一方面是其实他们会比较定锚自己的在艺术节的定位，然后我要怎么样去走相对来说比较对的行销方式。
你是我的羽翼。
其实我觉得经过了这1个月在演出之后，我觉得其实观众是可以接受中文这件事情，他们其实是可以去感觉到语言当中的情绪，而不是他们需要听懂语言。
跟大地共生的感觉哦。
性格扭曲，还有暴力倾向，还变成同性。
所以其实观众看完之后，包括整个形式的美感，然后包括这个语言的含蓄，他们就会知道说，哦，原来这是台湾人的某一种传达情感的方式。
Beautiful mystery, like the ocean itself. It's lovely. It's been my favourite thing so far that I've seen in the festival.
Oh, I feel it was incredibly powerful. It conjured lots of feelings of grief and loss and disconnection and isolation, I think, in this like modern time, but then also like bubbling feelings of like love, like intense love, and how like with togetherness we have like so much strength.
It's simple, it's ground touching and humble. And I think that's the narrative and the way you express those kind of things. That's what really gets to people.
In the different ways, like both Tomato and Whisper of the Waves are like feel really contemporary and like very much like they're making work about now.
The tradition of Cloudgate dance theatre, which is, you know, like amazing. He, I feel, is the next evolution from Cloudgate. I think that there is the use of certain kinds of ways of moving together, which is like poetry, like water.
其实我觉得最大的功劳应该是我们的舞者，因为他们其实从亚文童艺术节一直到爱丁堡这里，总共今天已经40场了，然后我们舞者完全没有一个人受伤，然后身体状况都非常的好，所以大家真的是非常的照顾自己。就是可以出来，所以其实是一个对于延续、对未来，不管是就是明年或者是5年、10年，其实对我们都有一个非常大的影响啊！我是鼓励大家，也鼓励我自己，是可以打开我们的视野，打开我们的心，然后去看更多不一样的演出，然后也可以接受别人的意见。Scottish Dance Theatre 的总监看我们演出之后，他其实感受很深，然后他也觉得说很期待有所交流，然后希望是一个可以更深度，然后甚至之后可以交换舞者啦，或者交换编舞家啦这样的机会。
I thought it was visually stunning, and I've come to expect that from Taiwanese companies. Choreography is quite stunning. I've seen things in the choreography here never seen before.
It was my joy to be in the audience today and be able to admire, visualize, appreciate, and love the work of this rising his choreographer.
It's like a moving meditation for an hour. I didn't even realize an hour had gone by. The whole thing just flowed so beautifully. It was amazing.
我觉得蛮震撼的，就是它每一段故事的连接的那个情绪非常满。
It's been such a pleasure, really. I'm here in my this is literally my last day at Dance Space and my last festival to curate, and to have given the opportunity to work with Taiwan and to see these beautiful dancers. It's been a gift. Thank you.
Taiwan season!